Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial expert Eli Sterling. Today, we're diving into major global developments and technical insights shaping both crypto and traditional markets. Let's start with the headlines: Argentina's political shift, U.S. China trade progress, and Bitcoin's technical resilience. Eli, give us your take.
Thanks, Maya. The standout story is Javier Milei's sweeping midterm win in Argentina, where his party secured over 40% of the vote, exceeding expectations. Markets responded quickly, with the Argentine peso and crypto assets rallying in anticipation. This sets the stage for aggressive reforms on labor, tax, and pensions.
Meanwhile, U.S. China trade talks are heating up ahead of Trump and Xi's meeting. What are the implications here?
Yes, a framework has been agreed upon covering agriculture, fentanyl, and shipping levies. Notably, China is deferring rare earth export controls, while the U.S. drops threats of new tariffs. This improves optics ahead of their summit and boosts risk sentiment across equities and commodities.
Let's turn to crypto. Bitcoin has reclaimed its bull market support band. How significant is this technically?
Very much so. Bitcoin reclosed above the key bull market support band and remains above its 20-week moving average. The 50-week MasterCard sits around $13,000, a crucial level. As long as Bitcoin holds above that, the bullish narrative remains intact.
Now let's bring visuals into play. We'll look at Bitcoin Tether's daily chart using the buy-hold-sell strategy. Eli, walk us through what the indicators tell us.
Sure, the buy-hold-sell indicator shows consistent bearish signals, with V1 below V2, suggesting short-term selling pressure. But notably, the gap between them is narrowing, hinting at potential momentum shift. If V1 crosses above V2, we could see a bullish signal emerge.
Switching gears to Ethereum, which is also drawing attention. Can you explain the Fibonacci retracement setup for Ethereum Tether?
Absolutely. Ethereum has been consolidating between the 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci levels, indicating a critical decision zone. A breakout above 42.76 Tether would suggest a resumption of the uptrend, while a drop below 40.76 could trigger deeper corrections.
Let's zoom in on Solana now. Solana Tether is showing mixed signals. What does the technical picture reveal?
Solana is in a consolidation phase. The average directional index shows weak trend strength, and price is stuck between the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci zones. The stochastic RSI is overbought and showing signs of exhaustion. Traders should watch for a pullback or breakout depending on volume confirmation.
We're also tracking NVIDIA's performance in the stock market. The trend is your friend strategy highlights a promising uptrend. What should investors watch?
Indeed, NVIDIA is forming higher highs and higher lows with solid volume backing the moves. Key support is at $183.50. If held, expect continued momentum toward the $193-$194 resistance zone. Any break below that support would signal caution.
Before we wrap, let's touch base on metals. Gold is lower by 0.8%, while crude oil is up. Where do you see opportunities emerging?
Gold's dip comes amid optimism in risk assets, especially post-China trade updates. However, if inflation data surprises, gold could regain luster. Oil benefits from supply concerns and improved demand forecasts tied to global economic reopening hopes.
To sum up, we've seen political shifts in Argentina, diplomatic breakthroughs between superpowers, and technical setups ripe for action in crypto and stocks alike. Keep watching Fibonacci levels, moving averages, and volume trends. Thanks, Ellie, and thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow.